Hey fam, ready for some chaos? This isn't just a video, it's a whole game. Your choices decide the drama. Remember, your choices could change the whole vibe. Okay, sweetheart, here's all your school stuff. Good luck today, study well, and have fun. Thanks! My backpack just ripped. Everything's everywhere. Oh no, chill, no panic. I'll sort this out. What is Mom gonna use to make the backpack? There's gotta be something useful around here. All right, time to MacGyver this bag real quick. Ta-da! A fresh new school bag, custom made. Dang, that actually looks so good. Perfect. Heading to class now. See you later. Miss, which satchel would you prefer for today? Which backpack is Emma gonna vibe with? Ugh, not that one. A total flop. What about this small violet one? Or the shiny gold? Yeah, that's the vibe. Give me that one. Lovely choice, Miss Emma. Here you are. Have a wonderful day. Whew, crisis avoided. Mom, look! The school's throwing the party! Oh wow, that sounds exciting! But, like, I need a cute outfit, right? Good call! Just let me see what we've got. Something blue. Let's pull it out. Ugh, just an old shirt. Try it anyway. Okay. Well, it fits at least. But it's messy. Needs a good cleanup. Which item makes the fit look fire? Hold still. I'll vacuum the cobwebs off you. Great, it's working fine. Turn around so I can finish the back. Almost done, just a little bit. Ouch! Turn the thing off! Wait, actually, that gave me a great idea. Here's a hair tie. Let's test it out. I see. I'll just put the tie on the nozzle. Now I can use the suction to gather her hair neatly, and the binder slides right off. Perfect pigtails. Easiest hairstyle ever. Yes! I'm ready to party now. Thanks, Mom. You saved me. Have fun. Wait, don't forget your invite. Hey everyone, I made it. Wait, what? Annie's got pigtails? And Betty too? Even Liam's rocking them? Nope, I don't follow trends. I make them. Hey! You're my stylist. Fix this hair emergency ASAP. Clutch! You came. Everyone looks the same. You're right. Time to switch it up. Which one makes the whole look feel bougie? Relax. I got a fire hairstyle for you. Let's section off a bit of hair here. Add a couple more on the other side. See? Already slaying. But wait, we need sparkle too. Gems on the part line. Now that's style. Perfect! Now I'm ready to own this party. Whoa, Emma looks insane right now. Liam, seriously, check her out now! Wow, her fit is literally stunning. Could I pull something like that off? I've got candy. What if I stick one on? Nope, fell, lame. Guess it's not my style. Where's my… Ah! A mouse! What? A mouse in here? Oh no. Oh, here's my shirt. Ugh, that stupid mouse ruined it. It's got a giant hole in it now. Mom! You good, sweetie? Did it scare you? No, but it wrecked my favorite red top. Which item can save the t-shirt? Maybe we can flip this disaster into a look. The hole's too large. It has to go away. There! Snip, snip. Gone. Problem solved. Now I've still got fabric left to work with. I'll just cut a bit more. No worries. Trust me. Just trimming around the neckline, removing extra fabric. And now I'll slice down the front only. Not the back, though. I'll fold the edges and sew them up into ruffles. It's simple. Gather the fabric, pull the thread through. Done! Tie it in the front and voila! A cute crop top. Wow, Mom! I can't believe you pulled that off! I love it! Thanks. Hold up. You'll need something warmer too. Wait, Mom! This shell's got a mouse hole too! Huh, those mice strike again. Haha, looks like they're everywhere. Wait, look! The mouse just ran off! Oh, I dropped ice cream all over my blouse! Seriously, today cannot get worse. Now I need a new outfit. Let's see. Nope, don't like any of these tops. There's gotta be something else in here to wear. Oh, thank goodness you're here. Perfect timing. I need major help. Whoa, style emergency for real! Which look is the move? What's Emma picking? Oh, how about this patterned silk blouse? Yes, stunning! Wait, oops, wrong target. Haha, I just dressed the chair instead of you. No worries, I've got another idea. Wow, forget cleaning. I look amazing. Oops, my bad. But don't worry, I've still got sparkle and glam. Maybe I should just do it myself. There, much better. No more styling chairs. This works. Here, will this cover the bill? Thanks! See you next time! Phew, what a day! She's so awful at tossing clothes. But it's all sorted now. Off to class! Perfect! The balloon wall is finally up. Now, time to check the fridge. Let's see… Where's that thing I saved? Aha! Got it! Good thing I labeled it. Now for the candle. What surprise is hiding in the cabbage for Annie? Ahem. Happy birthday, Annie! Huh? What's going on here? A surprise party? For me? Of course! Blow out the candle and make a wish! Yay! Birthday cabbage! My favorite! I'll just peel a leaf off. There we go! Mmm, crunchy and yummy! Could have another piece right away. Happy birthday, sweetie. I'm glad you enjoy it. Oh, for me? Well, maybe just a bite. Whoa! Look what's inside this cabbage! Candy! This is the best surprise ever! Orange flavor. Your favorite, right? Yes! Even better when I share it with you! The last ribbon is finally in place. Which cake is Emma's mom gonna pick? Not sure. Will she like it? Happy birthday, Emma! Here's your cake! What? I hate it! It's not what I wanted! Oh no. Can you fix it somehow? I'll try my best. Let's see. Maybe I can add some extra decorations here. There. Finished. Looks awesome, doesn't it? It's definitely different, but will she like it? Ooh, a cupcake on my cake! That's fun! Ow! My tooth! Mom, why would you do that? Oh no. No! There's gotta be another fix. Wait, that's right! She loves fresh fruit! Surely we can use something from this fruit bowl. Of course! Pastry chefs use fruit all the time. These cookie cutters will make the slices fun. I'll cut them into stars and flowers. Much cuter! Who wants plain fruit when you can have shapes? Now, let's place them carefully on the cake. Plenty of room for all the slices. And done! A fruit-topped cake masterpiece. Wow! Looks incredible! Bravo! Happy birthday, Emma! Here's your cake. Oh, wow! I love cake and fresh fruit! Mmm, so yummy! Only the best from my birthday girl! Happy birthday! Finally! I think I'm set for the first lesson. Hey! Those are my pencils! Oh no, they're crushed flat! Are you kidding me? How am I supposed to keep them together now? What's the next mood? Mad, crying, or totally shook? Oops! Wait, did I just step on that? My bad. Whatever. I'll just pull out my own pens and markers. Yeah, this should hold me over for class. Now, let me just grab my folders, notebooks, and binder. Maybe I can squish everything back into this case somehow? Dang, she looks so lost trying to figure that out. Guess I should help her out before she totally melts down. Hey, Annie, here, use my extra stuff for class. For me? Really? Oh wow, you're a lifesaver, Emma. Don't sweat it. Whoa, look at all these cool supplies. I've got a brilliant idea. I'll stretch rubber bands across the front of my binder. Ta-da! Instant pen holder. Everything stays in place. Look, I can even fit more on the inside flap too. Wow, it really holds a lot. Now everything is tidy and secure. Smart move, Annie. Thanks, but I wouldn't have pulled this off without you. Alright, class time. Thanks again, Emma.
That ride took forever. I'd be honored if you took a flyer. Go! What is this? An invite to a drawing contest? No! Why does there have to be wind anyway? There's nothing in here. Ooh! What's this? A drawing contest? Ugh, thanks. Give me that. Now look what you've done. Looks like they're both going. Okay, are we ready for some drawing? Let's warm up with a rainbow. A rainbow, huh? That's one heck of a warm-up. I know! My bag of stuff can finally come in handy. Let's see. Oh! Aw, hey little guy! Oh! No! Aw, good boy. Here's what I was looking for. Ready for some magic? Watch these colors turn into a whole rainbow. Just gotta make a few globs. There. Done! Well, almost. Nice! Let's put this thing to work. Is this satisfying or what? It's all about working with what you've got, people! There! Ooh, that's a little messy. Now peel off all the tape. Nothing like a clean, smooth line. Well, make that 3 smooth lines. Done! Thanks for the help! Pretty impressive, isn't it? I guess it's fine. I got this. Hello? Do I have to do it all myself? So pretty. Go! I need space to get creative here. Interesting. Haha. Obviously. Everybody watch and learn. It's pretty with all the colors, isn't it? Just wait till you see what's next. See? I get to work sometimes. And once that's all finished, you're left with gorgeous rainbow sand. Look at those vibrant hues. Ta-da! That was actually pretty awesome. Oh, I'm definitely not done yet. It's like a little dancing rainbow guy. Gives it a little personality, don't you think? Well? They're both interesting. Which is why you're both winners! That's fine. Here. Just a little bit of assembly, and there! Just a piece of plastic and a picture on your phone. And poof! You can trace it! Pretty inventive, isn't it? Being resourceful always works out. Almost done! He's turning out pretty cute. I think. Lame. So, who wins? For obvious reasons, Naomi. No way! Turns out being creative is the way to go! Stupid robot! You belong in the garbage bin! You hear that? No. You are the garbage. What? You drew something for me? Is this supposed to be funny? Technology has failed me today! Well, now what? Hello up there? Oh, of course. The next round is origami. Phew! Origami? Okay. Good thing I carry paper with me at all times. Just kidding, my butler gave it to me. I prefer paper that's actually worth something. And gold's even better. Here you go. Whoa. Is that real? I'd better get to work. Alright, here goes nothing. Things are getting hot in here. Whoa! It turned to gold. But why stop there? In you go. Phew! Oh gosh! Yep, it definitely worked. Fantastic! Mwah! Miss Betty? Thanks, Chef. That's so unfair! I wonder if I have some paper lying around. It's not gold, but it'll do. Ready to witness some magic, guys? Yikes. That paper is so wrinkled. Hilarious, I know. But I can turn things around. Just can't leave it on too long. Good as new! Whatever. I've got other things to worry about. Just a few careful folds, and this will look anything like a piece of paper. Now just draw a couple of marks here. It looks strange now, but it'll all make sense at the end. Recognize it yet? It's only the prettiest girl in the world! Huh? Just be patient, will you? I just have a few more lines here. Now for the same thing on this side. Just keep folding flaps up and drawing in the blanks. There. All done. If you say so. Color, please. Now she can dance. See? I can make all her limbs move. I can't compete with that! Or can I? Just make a fold up top, and again in the other direction. And keep going all the way down. Then draw a straight line here. Then keep it going down this way. Then close it so it's a square. Can you tell what it is yet? And in here, draw a little bunny. How cute is this thing? Come on! And he needs a little bear friend. Adorable, right? Don't forget to color things in. Orange and blue always pop. Now for our animal friends. The colors really bring them alive. One last thing. Then fold the paper down. Ta-da! All done! This is tough. But that ballerina. You win! What about my cute creation? Wish you could compete in an art contest? Hold one with your friends and let us know how it goes. Be sure to send this video over their way and subscribe to our channel while you're at it.